Now, let's go, Mang Kanor. Anong gagawin mo, pre?
Ganun din.
Seahorse din. Sige.
Tingnan natin.
This is for Hamza Seahorse. But it's first time. Still good. Still good. Now, Mang Kanor. Mang Kanor Seahorse. Grabe, ganda. Okay. The second step, this one. This one, tail. Look the tail, how he make. But he will throw. Bakit? Yan. Check how he make the face, okay? Together the line. Not put all the foam. Just line. But he make different style. Nice one.
Kambak?
Diba? Panalo.
Ano ba tinuro mo sa kanya?